Hey good people, James here. You know, typically we don't recommend that you stake a tree unless you've got a situation where you know for certain that the tree is going to be compromised in that first year after you've planted the tree. Now remember to subscribe and click the bell if you feel like the gardening tips are helping. And the other thing that you need to remember is that the tree does establish, and as it gains in girth, we are going to have a problem with such a small strap on a trunk that is gaining in girth. And so we're going to end up girdling the tree. I have done consultations where I have seen the strap still on the tree 2, 3, 4 years after the tree was planted. And in a few cases, I've actually seen the tree snap right at that point because it is girdling the tree. It's not allowing the trunk to expand. That becomes the weakest point in the tree, and the tree ultimately fails. So remember, as you're planting new trees, one of the most important things is to not have anything girdling the trunk. And we've talked about the string and the burlap and whatnot at the base of the tree, but any strapping that you put on because you have to help the tree stabilize while it establishes a decent root system to support itself needs to be removed. Thanks again. Look for me in the garden.